5, 6. Okay, so that's what you're going to see. The base stays the same, right? And you add the exponents, 5, 6. Okay, Andrew, focus. Okay, all right, now, is that the answer yet? Okay, no, all right, so now what, they live in a 6-room house. How many 16s live there? 5 16s. Okay, so let's go through it. Here we go. There are 5 16s. Okay, now tell me this. 16 equals what? 2 times 2 times 2. Right, okay, so there's going to be a whole bunch of 2's living inside this house, right? Here we go. They're all living inside the house. Oops, sorry about that. There, let's go backwards. Okay. Okay, so they're all the 2's living inside the house. Okay, now here we go. Knock at the door. Can anybody come out to play? Yes, group. Yeah, lots of them again. Okay, groups of 6, right? So there's one group of 6. There's one group of 6. There's one group of 6. Okay, so who can come out of the house? 3 2's, right? Okay, who stays inside the house? 2 2's, which make 4, right? Okay, very good. Okay, times the 2 3's. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 8. 6 root of 4. Plus or minus. Yeah. Boom. Hello, baby. Got it. There's the answer. Okay, good. Making sense? Once again, that's the plan. Is just to keep reviewing. When we get to the test, you go to the lab of the test. Like, it's ridiculous. I can do this. Okay. About this guy right here, right? Okay. 8 to the 5 goes divided by 8 to the 1/3. Do you divide 8 by 8? No, okay. All right. Do you subtract the exponents?
Yes.
Yes, of course you do. Okay. So, all right, so you're going to get 8 to the 1 now. 4/3, right? 5/3 minus 1/3, 8 to the 4/3 is right. There you go. 8 to the 4/3. Okay. How many 4's live inside a cube root house? How many 4's? Sorry. How many 8's? I got messed up. How many 8's live inside a cube root house? 4, right? Okay. So there's 4 8's living in a cube root house. Okay, what's 8 equal to? 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so here we go. Here they all come. Here we come. All right, good. All right, knock on the door. Can anybody come out to play? The answer is yes, the triplets can, right? Okay, so here come the triplets. Triplets. All right. So everybody comes out of the house, right? Who comes out of the house? 4 2's. 4 2's come out of the house. Here they come. Okay, what are you going to do with the 4 2's? Multiply them together. What's the answer going to be? 16. Okay, you got it. And the answer is 16. There you go. All right, now number 3, what is it you do first? Distribute the 2. Good, you distribute. Okay, so what's 2 times 1 half? Hold on, let's start again. What's 2 times 1 half? 1. 4 to the 1 power, right? And what's 2 times 1/4? 1 half. It's 2 fourths, which is 1 half. So you're going to get this. 4, right, to the 1, and then 5 to the 1 half. Okay, all right, so now, here we go. Do you multiply the 4 and the 5 together? No, thank you. Okay, so what would you write down as the answer? 4 square root of 5, and it's going to be plus or minus because it's a square root. Square is even, right? Okay, plus or minus 4 square root of 5. You got it. Easy. No reason you guys can do that. It is a piece of cake. You got it. Okay, now number 4 is a different matter. This is a little bit new. You haven't seen one quite like this. Okay, so what do you think you would do first on number 4?
64 divided by 4.
Okay, all right. One idea is to get the negative exponent on the top. Okay, and that's not what you're going to see, but that would work. Okay, what's the other thing you need to do?
64 divided by 4.
Okay, all right, very good. All right, to break down all the stuff inside the cube root house. That's the first thing I want to do on this one. Okay, but Michael, what you said is okay also. Okay, so here we go. Break down the stuff inside the house. Here's what you get inside the house, right? Okay, and then we've got these guys on the bottom, right? Okay, now here we go. Knock at the door. Can anybody come out to play? Yeah. Okay, so triplets here. So here come triplets. Here come triplets, right? Okay. Okay, so who gets to come out of the house to play? Okay, all right. So yeah, what are you going to get on the outside? 2 2's and an x, which gives you 4x on the outside, and then cube root of y. What you got? 4x cube root of y, and then who's on the bottom still? 4x to the negative 3y. Okay, now what do you do? Now say it.
Now you put the negative exponent.
Change the x negative exponent. So if it's negative on the bottom, it's positive on the top. Okay, so let's make it positive on the top. Here we go. Positive on the top. Okay. Okay, now tell me this. How much is 4x times x cubed? It would be 4
X,
to the 4th, 4x to the 4th, you got it, 4x to the 4th, okay, cube root of y over 4y, right? Okay, I don't know, you tell me now, is there anything else you can do? Yeah, that's right, you can cancel the 4s, 4 on top, 4 on the bottom, they cancel out, right? So cancel 4s, there you go, alright, now is that the answer you're looking at? You betcha, that's the answer, look here. Oh, sorry, pull this down. Okay, so here goes the answer right there, that's what you would get. Alright, so here we go, look at example number 1, right? The cube root of 2x plus 7 equals 3. Is the cube root by itself? Yes, it is. Okay, fine. Nothing to be done. Okay, so to get rid of the cube root, you have to do what? You have to cube it. Exactly, that's what it says. Okay, so we did step number 1. It's by itself. Now we got to cube it. So you're going to cube the left side of the equation, and you're going to cube the right side of the equation. Okay, so tell me this. What's the cube root of 2x plus 7 cubed? What's it going to become? 2x plus 7. It's like, oh my gosh, that was so hard to do. Very good. And what's 3 cubed? No, poo. What's 3 cubed? 27. 3 that. Don't say anything down, Randy. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Right? Don't put down 9. 27. All right? Okay. All right, now what's the next thing we're going to do? Subtract 7 from both sides. Here we go. Subtracting 7 from both sides. Like that. So 2x equals 20, and what's the next thing I'm going to do? Divide by 2, right? Divide by 2, right? And x equals how much? 10, and x equals 10. That's it. That's how easy it is.
Why do you have to make this so hard?
Okay, all right. So on example 2 now, what's the first thing you would do? Add 1, is correct. Okay, you got to get the x plus 2 to the 3/4 power by itself, right? Okay, now listen carefully. I want to get x plus 2 all by itself. What would be the next step? This is common sense. What's that? Okay, that's the answer. You got it. Okay. What you're going to do is multiply it by the reciprocal power. So what's the reciprocal power of 3/4? 4/3. You're going to multiply it by the 4/3 power. Multiply it by the 4/3 power on both sides. Making sense? Okay. So what's 3/4 times 4/3? Okay, it cancels out. Or it becomes 1. You could say it becomes 1 or it just cancels out. It's right, like that. So you got what left over? X plus 2. That's what you want. I want x plus 2. Okay, now what's 8 to the 4/3 power? Well, that's the cube root, right, of 4/8. Okay, now how much is 8? 3 2's, right? Okay, so 3 2's. Okay, there we go. All the 2's we got. Okay, and now knock at the door. Can anybody come out? The triplets can come out. Here go the 3's. Okay, there you go like that. Okay, so who comes out of the cube root house? Okay, 4 2's. 4 2's come out of the cube root house. Okay, now multiply those all together. What do you get? 16. Okay, so we got that. All right, now what would you do? Subtract 2 from both sides, right? Look here. Hello, baby. There's my answer. X equals 14. It's that simple. What's that? No. Well.